In today's video, we're going to talk about how homeowner associations can expedite the architectural modification process. So one of the most challenging parts that HOAs have to deal with if they have minimal technology is how to process architectural modifications. So architectural modifications are part of living within an HOA. Whenever you're going to paint your home, add any driveways, or do anything to your particular home that has to do with the exterior, you're supposed to get permission from the association prior to making any of those changes. And as you can imagine, many associations, especially the medium to larger ones, if you have many requests coming in throughout the month and you're doing them through the paper process, it can become very cumbersome and it can become a very bad experience for the residents themselves. So what are the ways that you can correct these issues is by applying technology within your association to deal with this particular process. Here at Affinity, we use a system that allows us to completely streamline the architectural modification process. And more importantly, it actually assists the manager in not having them get bogged down by people coming in or out of the office. So the way that the experience works is the resident will actually go online, provide their application of what they're applying for. So as an example, if they're changing their paint colors, they'll put their home, the information, the paint color, the color they're going to paint their home. Further within the platform, we provide the actual schematics, or the paint colors I should say, that are available for that particular association. That way the resident can just select which is the paint color they're going to use, and then they put that as part of the application process. Once they've completed that, they turn that in online digitally, and the manager receives that application online, reviews it, and if he or she denies it or approves it, if they approve it, it goes directly to the board for their approval, or the committee. And then if the committee approves it, the resident gets automatically notified that this architectural has been approved, and they can move forward with whatever issue they're applying for. So incorporating this kind of technology into your association not only streamlines the day-to-day operation of your association, but more importantly, it allows your manager to focus on the bigger ticket items and not on the simple requests that usually happen within an association. If you'd like to gain additional knowledge on how this technology works or how Affinity leverages technologies to better manage its communities, please reach out to us, and you can reach us by visiting our website, managedbyaffinity.com. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Make sure you hit that alert button as we have weekly videos coming out. We hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you in the next one.